As more people seek salon-quality foot care at home, the demand for electric foot files has surged. These powerful tools make removing tough calluses and dead skin easy, safe, and convenient, saving both time and money. Whether you're on your feet all day or prepping for sandal season, this guide reviews the best electric foot files for callus removal based on performance, speed settings, build quality, accessories, and overall value. List number: upgraded electric callus remover for feet, adjustable speed. This upgraded model is a game changer for at-home pedicures. It features adjustable speed settings, allowing users to tailor the experience based on callus severity. The powerful motor efficiently tackles thick, cracked heels without causing discomfort. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in hand, while the rechargeable battery offers long-lasting use. A standout feature is its durable sanding discs, which are easy to replace. It's also equipped with a dust filter, making cleanup simple. Ideal for those who want salon-quality results without the price tag, this foot grinder is versatile and reliable for all skin types. List number: callus remover for feet, electric foot file, professional pedicure tool with 60 pieces, sandpaper discs designed for high performance. This electric foot file comes with an impressive 60 sandpaper discs, making it a long-term investment for personal or professional use. The motor is quiet, yet strong enough to handle even the most stubborn calluses. It's easy to use and maintain, with a simple disc-changing mechanism. The slim body and lightweight build make it travel-friendly, while its wide sanding area ensures quick and efficient dead skin removal. This model is particularly useful for people who prefer manual control without too many bells and whistles, making it a top pick for budget-conscious buyers. List number: electric callus removers for feet, Haudity Pedicure Kit, rechargeable. The Haudity foot file stands out for its all-in-one pedicure kit approach. Besides the electric file, the kit includes multiple attachments, including coarse and fine sanding heads, making it suitable for different skin textures. It's fully rechargeable, with a USB cable for convenience. The motor provides steady rotation without overheating, and the waterproof design means you can use it in the shower. For anyone looking for value-packed versatility, this product hits all the marks while keeping your feet baby soft all year round. List 4. 4.8-in, longer electric foot callus remover, with 80 pieces sandpaper discs. Professional aluminum callus remover. Crafted with a 4.8-inch extended handle and a professional-grade aluminum body, this model is engineered for comfort and durability. It's particularly helpful for people with limited mobility or larger feet, offering better reach and control. The 80 included sandpaper discs are high quality and last several uses each. The adjustable speed settings let you customize exfoliation, while its sturdy metal construction gives it a premium feel. If you're serious about foot care and want something that lasts, this model is well worth the investment. List number 5. Electric foot callus remover, rechargeable portable electronic foot file pedicure kits, waterproof. If portability is a priority, this rechargeable foot file delivers on convenience without compromising power. It's fully waterproof, making it easy to use in the shower or tub, and its compact design is ideal for travel. With dual speed modes and replaceable sanding heads, it can handle everything from light smoothing to deep exfoliation. The battery life is solid, providing multiple uses per charge, a good balance between function and form. This unit is a dependable choice for quick, mess-free pedicures anywhere.